Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do technical analysis on Forex pair EURJPY. It's a quick video. I'm not going to overwhelm you with information. I'm just going to show you the routine that I do every night before the market opens. I should have done this on the weekend. I just haven't had a chance. Even this morning I didn't even have a chance to record it or upload it. So I'm doing it Monday afternoon. I'll show you how I how I set up the charts, and then if there's an entry I'll show you how I do the entry or how to do your risk management. So first of all, you go on to tradingview.com, top left corner, EURJPY, find the broker you trade with. I'm with IC Markets. You always start on the weekly time frame. You want to track the price from the weekly all the way to the entry time frame. So we'll start on the weekly. Remember, if you watch my previous videos, you know to mark support and resistance. So here's your support, where price made a higher low. Price changed, point of reaction, price changed from bearish to bullish, forming a higher low. Here's a higher high, where it's formed a resistance. Price has failed to breach it, so there's your two levels. You then go into the daily time frame, repeat the process, get the rectangle tool on the left hand side. You can see there's an uptrend. So we want to mark the most recent high, low and higher high. So this is the most recent high, low. Why is that a high, low? It's a point of reaction where price changed from bearish to bullish. A red candle to a green candle. It's also formed a higher low. And it changes to red. You can have them any color you want. And here's the most recent resistance. Also falls on the weekly time frame. You then, as I was saying, you can see there's an uptrend here. So to aid your uptrend analysis, you can just draw a trend line here, and you can see it's respected it 4 or 5 times. So it's still bullish. You can put this here, or you could put it there where the wick is. Let's put it here. So you can see price is moving within this range, which helps you also help further identify where the higher low is, or where to potentially enter as well. So you then go into the H4 time frame. Get the rectangle tool out once again. And you can clearly see if price made a high low here. So this is the most recent high low on the H4 time frame. In terms of most recent higher high, this is where the market was before 8 o'clock this morning. Well, sorry, last night. So Friday market closed. So that is the most recent higher high on the H4 time frame. Once you've got your two levels here, you then go into a H1 time frame and get this tool here, Fibonacci retracement. So today is a Monday. We're looking at the previous day, which is Friday's price action. You want to do it where the low of the day to the high of the day. Also from the previous high low to the high high. So here's a high low, and here's the most. This is a high high of the day. So these are your levels before the market opens 8 o'clock in the morning. Obviously, I'm trading London session, so I'm only focusing on the London session. So these are your, this is your levels before the market opened today on Monday. So imagine you can't see any of this today. You can't see any of that. So you're basing it on this price action here. So you know when price is near this level, we're looking for sells to where it can previously go down. And obviously if price goes all the way here, you can potentially look for buys to go here. So let's have a look at what happened. Market opened Asian session, it was bullish. It breached the resistance. So if it breaches resistance, you could actually could have bought within the Asian session. Your TP1 would have been minus 23. TP2 would have been minus 61. So to do this analysis, I'll show you. You get the long position here, and if you were buying during the Asian session, your stop loss would be just below the resistance in case there's a reversal. Could have entered on this candle. So TP1 would have been here, 8 pips. TP, not great. This is where it gets interesting. TP2, you're risking 6-7 pips to make 8 pips even to make 30 pips. Your risk to reward ratio is 3.62. That is if you were buying. So let's just say if we did buy at 1 o'clock in the morning or 12 o'clock, if you trade an Asian session, it would have breached your TP1 and it would have retraced further. So this is why it's important to stay on the charts, because you could have got out. However, if you were asleep in the UK, you can see that price would have hit stop loss. You would have lost 8 pips. But then you could have entered on this candle here, this massive bullish engulfing candle at 1 o'clock this afternoon. So I'll show you. This is the area of interest, well, the candle of interest that I've highlighted now. You then want to break it down further onto M15 time frame. So you could have entered on this candle here, obviously closer to the level. Let's just say we entered here. Stop loss would have been below here. TP would have been there. Not great because it's a 1-to-1, 1.16 ratio. I wouldn't have entered, to be honest. I only aim for over 3 or 4 risk to reward ratios. So that's how I would have traded EJ today. That's a London session. Sorry, that is a London session, because look, this is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So, but to be honest with you, I wouldn't have entered that trade because I didn't like the risk to reward. 1-to-1 isn't great for me. So yeah, also before the market opened, to be honest, I would have thought there would have been sells today, because I would have expected price to be here and then potentially go down to this level, but it hasn't. It's breached it, it's retested it, got a lot of retail traders out, and then boom, it's hit the TP of -61. So I would say that would be the session over for EJ. If you're trading it again, I wouldn't trade it again today. Obviously it's at H4 level now. We are expecting a reversal from here, but if you trade an EJ today, I would say look at another pair, because I don't see any other opportunity today. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm just showing you how to analyze EJ from the weekly to the daily, then break it down further on H4, then break it down further on H1, and then from there you can see what is going on. Also, what you could do is, I've showed you the potential buy trade you could have entered. This is where technical analysis comes in. So when price came here at 2 o'clock in the morning, you're waking up at 8 o'clock London session. So you could have moved this as your new resistance. And then when 8 o'clock starts, let's see what happens at 8 o'clock. What candle is at 8 o'clock? Oh, I'm getting the wrong tool out. This is a candlestick at 8 o'clock. So a lot of sellers in London would have been entering sell trades. That is also another thing that could have happened today. So you could have entered a sell trade. That would have been this is a trade I would have took, to be honest. So if I was at my desk, I wouldn't have bought it. I would have realistically took a sell, but the sell would have lost. I would have lost 17 pips, but my risk to reward ratio would have been 63. So this is a trade that I would have took. This is analysis I would have took. I was just showing you what traders would have done earlier if they were buying in the Asian session. Obviously, I'm only trading between 8 o'clock and 4 o'clock, maybe 5 in the UK. This is a trade I would have took. It's a good loss. Look, end of the day, you only need to win 4 trades out of 10 to be profitable. So even if I lost, I would have been fine. Look, I'm risking 17, 18 pips to win 63, 64. What's that? £1,800 risk to win £6,400 if you trade £10 a pip. So you just got to trust the process, guys, and just keep going. Simple as that. I hope you enjoyed that session. I'm sorry, I tried to keep it as short as I could. I try to keep it less than 5 minutes, but I know I'm touching 10. Like, share, and subscribe. More to come. Peace.